I watched all of these other videos on how to make money online with Google News, and most of them are complete and utter. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why they're and how you can actually take and use Google News and really make money online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we're going to take a look at a few different things. The first thing that we're going to take a look at is what the other YouTubers are telling you. The second part is we are going to take a look at what actually works. And then the third part are examples of how you can do it too. So for step number one, what the gurus on YouTube are telling you to do is to go over to Google News and find an article. Any article will do. And they say, click on this article. First, we'll go over to business, for example. We are going to go to personal finance. We are just going to click on this article, and then we are going to spin it with Quillbot. For example, we'll just go over to Quillbot like this, and we are going to spin an article that we just found, and then we're going to paste it onto Google, onto our blog or website. And then we're just going to make money. Money's going to fall out of the sky. So we're going to just copy this, paste it right over to Quillbot, and it's going to rephrase it. Then we can put it right into our blog, and money's just going to fall onto us out of the sky. Now, the reason why this doesn't work, it takes a long time for this to happen, okay? Step two, the second reason why this doesn't work is Google's smart enough to know that you are just copying and pasting. Ask anyone that has tried this before. If you start to get traffic, which you won't, it will be very short-lived. With all of Google's algorithm updates, they see that you're just copying and pasting and you're stealing other people's content. You don't want to be known as a thief, because being a thief, stealing content is a short-lived experience. So what you're going to do is you're just going to grab this. Let me just grab this and show you why this doesn't work. So you're going to grab this article like this. You're going to paste it right into Quillbot like this. Click on rephrase, and then hopefully it comes back with words that make sense. But if we look at this, you can see that some of these words just don't make sense. The sentences don't make sense. And again, Google is smart enough to realize that you have taken someone else's content and you are rephrasing it, and it's the exact same content. Also, you are competing for domain authority against a website like foxbusiness.com, which is going to be impossible to compete for. So you are going to waste a bunch of your time, energy, and get really frustrated simply trying to do something that doesn't work because these guys over here on YouTube claim that it works. I can guarantee you that this absolutely does not work. All of these videos here that are telling you to go over to Google News like I showed you, copy and paste, it doesn't work, okay? Don't waste your time, don't waste your energy, and you're just gonna be frustrated. It literally takes weeks or months for most blog articles to rank on Google, and so you're gonna waste literally weeks and months trying this process that doesn't work. Okay, so here's a better way. A better way is to simply come over to Google, once again, Google News, and you are simply going to read these articles. You're going to skim these articles. But before I tell you exactly how to do it, let me show you an example of someone that's already doing this. This channel here has almost 1 million subscribers, and you can see this result from 2 months ago, 3.5 thousand views. If we go over to Google News and we click on this first result here, actually, let's just copy this like this, and we copy this and we put it right over into YouTube, paste it in just like this. And you can do the exact same thing for TikTok. But if we look at this, the top result from 2 years ago, 365 views, 18 views, 52 views. You can see that people are getting 222,000 views from 2 years ago, 1.1 million views, talking about zero premium Medicare Advantage plans. If you think that's a one-off, you can click on this one. They tried TikTok money advice. We can copy this once again. We can paste it right over to YouTube. And I'm going to explain to you in just a second how to do this step by step so that you can actually make money with this. So they tried TikTok money advice. We're going to copy this. We're going to paste this in just like this and hit enter. And you're going to see that people are getting tons of views simply doing what I'm about to show you. It's much easier. It's much safer. You don't have to worry about copyright infringement. You don't have to waste a lot of time creating blog posts and not getting any views. But you can see 1.3 million views, 171,000 views, 1.4 million views, 21,000 views, simply taking the title of an article that you found over on Google News and pasting it right into YouTube. I'm going to tell you how to do it in just a moment, but you can see student loans. How does interest on a student loan work? We can copy this once again, and we're going to paste it right into YouTube. This is a much simpler way, and this is a much more profitable way for you. So student loans, how does interest on student loans work? We'll accept that. Come on. So we'll copy this once again. And we're actually gonna put this into TikTok too, so that you can see that this works. Copy that. We're gonna first put it into YouTube like this. Paste that in, hit enter. Let's go here and we're gonna paste this right into TikTok as well, so that you can see that you can do this with literally anything. And this is a much better way than just stealing other people's content. I know that some people believe that rephrasing it or spinning it is not stealing, but it's a form of stealing. It's a form of theft. So we're just going to paste it in just like this, hit enter, and let's go back over to YouTube. And if we take a look, 7,000 views from 2 years ago. This person only has 7,000 subscribers, 21 views, 5 subscribers from 5 days ago, 1.9 thousand views from 10 months ago, 9,000 subscribers, 66,000 views. You can see that this is a much better way, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how to do it step by step. If we let's paste it in like this. Come on. For whatever reason, TikTok is not loading correctly. Let's try and get rid of some of these words here. Hit enter, and we take a look. Top result, 790 views, almost a million views right here. 900,000 views off of this video talking about how does interest on student loans work. 10,000, 700,000. This is a much better way, okay? And now that we see that this actually works in a few different ways, and it's much better than stealing people's content like these guys are telling you to do, what you're going to do, and it's really easy, you are simply going to go over to Google News and find an article. For example, let's look at that student loan one they tried TikTok money advice. You're going to skim through the article, okay? And again, you can do this on YouTube or TikTok. Skim through the article, find the main points, and you are going to provide your feedback for the article. You're going to talk about the article. So first, you're going to provide a summary of an article. They tried TikTok money advice. They needed a lawyer instead. And you're going to say, so this is what I discovered when I found this article on Google News. And you're just going to talk about what you found in the article. Most people don't read. And so you are creating unique, original content based off of someone else's unique, original content. This is a much better way to go than just copy pasting and stealing other people's content. Simply put, you are going to find articles over on Google News, and you are going to provide your feedback and your response. The account that I showed you before, Tyler Pratt, this is what he did, and he's close to 1 million subscribers if he's not there already. So let me just show you Tyler Pratt. We're going to click on this, and if you look, he did the exact same thing with the stimulus packages, and he had hundreds of thousands of views on his account. So if we scroll through here, we go back a few months ago, and we look at this. So let's see where we can find it right here. The forced stimulus check update, 3.5 thousand views. Wow, finally passed forced stimulus check. And if you clicked on some of these videos, he's actually showing you the article that he is reading and reacting to. So what he did and what you can do and what you should do is find articles within a niche, in your niche, and you can read them. Don't read them word for word. You are going to read them to yourself before creating a video, providing feedback and analysis, critical analysis. Give your opinion on what you think the blog post means. And you can do this with multiple videos. This is a much better way. You can see that he's doing this with both video and with actual articles. And you can do this too, Okay, this is a much better way to go. I recommend that you do this. Doesn't take a lot of time. You can see these are 10-minute videos, but you can do this and start making money in a variety of ways. You don't have to worry about your blog or website getting shut down, which you will have to worry about if you use these methods. You don't have to worry about not getting any traffic, because once again, Google is smart enough to realize that you're taking other people's content and just reformatting it a little bit. Google can analyze that. You think Google knows how to rank things, so they're going to see that, hey, this is the exact same article as somebody else's, and Google is not going to rank you above some of these news organizations that are out there. However, if you provide critical feedback in your opinion about an article that you read, this is going to be a much better opportunity. If we look at the economy, just as one more example, you can see that this works as well. Putin in Saudi prints oil plan, puts Biden in a fix. We can click on this. This is going to be something that's really popular now. And so you can take this and put it right into YouTube. So you can see this actually as a YouTube video. If we close that, let's go back over to Google News. It's interesting that actually went to a Google News. Market is terrified for the Fed in place. So you can copy these. And I actually started doing this a year and a half ago, with maybe 3 years at this point, with the stimulus checks. And I actually got tons of views as well. So you can do this. This is a much better way. Please don't watch these other videos where they're telling you to steal other people's content, mix it up and reformat it, and then, just put it on the internet, because that's not going to work. Some other ways that you can make money with this method that I'm telling you is actually with affiliate marketing. So if you pick a niche, let's say you pick a business jobs niche, you could actually go out and find different programs that help people find jobs. You could be an affiliate for like Indeed. You could be an affiliate for like resume writing services. You could actually sell your own digital or physical products. Maybe you teach people how to write better resumes. You could actually sell your course through this as well. So there's much more opportunity to make more money than to just steal other people's content. Now that you know the right way to make money online with Google News, watch this video next to learn more about how you can start making money online with affiliate marketing.